Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to discuss laws of exponents, right? This is your exponents and powers chapters of class 7. See, in exponential form, we need to obey certain rules. Okay, while solving the sums, we need to obey certain rules. Now let's see which are these rules. So the first rule is multiplying powers with the same number. All right. When we say same number, means same base. All right. So for any non-zero integer where m and n are whole numbers, see, you can see that a raised to m into a raised to n. So a raised to m plus n. You can see here that a is base and here also a is base, means the numbers are same. When the base are same, when in multiplication, when bases are same and there is a multiplication relationship, powers are added. All right. In case you see the numbers, 3 raised to 4, 3 raised to 2, that is 3 square, means base same, 3. So 3 raised to 4 plus 2, that is 3 raised to 6, and then you can solve accordingly. All right. You need to make your bases same. If there are same bases and if there is multiplication relationship between them, then their powers will be added. All right, this is the rule. Now, second rule is for division. See, if there are same bases, for the same bases, but if they share division relationship, okay, if there is division between them, then powers will be subtracted. All right, the powers are subtracted. Let's say here, again same example, 3 raised to 4, 3 square. There is a relationship between them, that is division. So 3 raised to 4 minus 2. So your answer is 3 square. So basically this is what you have to do. Okay. Now, third one is power of a power. See, sometimes you see like this, right? A raised to m and whole raised to n means there is power of power. So what you have to do is you just multiply these two powers, okay, because there is just one number, there is just one base, so you just multiply these two powers, that is m into n. Let's say here 3 raised to 4 and whole power 2. All right. So here you can see that 3 raised to 4 and whole power 2, that is whole square, means the relationship between these two numbers, that is 4 and 2, is multiplication. See here, this is your multiplication. So 3 raised to 4 into 2, so 3 raised to 8. This is how you solve these type of sums. All right. Next is multiplying powers with the same exponents. See, till now we have seen same base. Whenever there is same base in two multiplication, then what do we do with powers? But in this case, when bases are different but powers are same, then what do we do? Let's see. See here, a raised to m into b raised to m. So basically you can see that these powers are same, right? See, here also there is m and here also there is m. So you can say that a and b, for both of them powers are same, that is m. So that's how we can write it here. A into b whole raised to m. See, it means that m is applying to this also and m is applying to this also. Okay, so we are just making it simple. In this case, it's okay if you don't write this multiplication sign. So if you just write AB, it means that there is multiplication between them. All right. So AB raised to m. Let's see the same thing with numbers. 2 cube into 3 cube. If you notice, powers are same, that is 3, 3. So we'll just multiply this 2 into 3 and whole power 3, that is 6 raised to 3, that is 6 cube. Right? Well, next number is same case but in case of division. Okay? So again, see, in case of multiplication, what we did? Multiplication. And we keep the power same, that is only one number. Similarly, in case of division, we'll keep the division like that, same, but we'll keep the powers same. See here, a raised to m divided by b raised to m. So what you have to do is a divided by b whole raised to m, because the relationship between these two is same. But you don't have to write separately. You can just write once. Similarly, 2 cube divided by 3 cube. So why do you have to write 2 times cube? Instead, you will just write 2 divided by 3 cube. That is only one time. Alright? It's very simple, guys. You just have to be very attentive to it and just apply your own logic that this is how it is, right? Alright. Next number is any number except 0 raised to the power 0 is always 1. Alright. So any damn number but not 0. If there is a 0 power to that number, then your answer is 1. Be it positive number, negative number, one figure number, two figure number, 2-digit number, 3-digit number, whatever it can be. It just shouldn't be 0. That's it. Rest every number, if there is a 0 power, then the answer is 1. You don't even have to count. You don't even have to show the calculation, all right? Because there is no calculation to show. So these are the rules, right? On the basis of these rules, we will be solving our sums, and that we will do in our next video. See, there are certain basic rules while solving exponent and powers, but I'll tell you while we are solving the sums so that you can just write down there and there. All right? So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.